The day has finally come, y'all. I never thought it would come. Y'all probably thought it would never come either, but miracles do happen. So my course, the big video course, is finally done. I wanted to make this because I didn't go to film school, okay? Even though I make videos professionally. And so that means I had to learn a lot about filmmaking from the internet, which was a very random learning experience. It was not the most efficient experience. And I was like, we need to work on that. And so that's been what's driven me. The other thing that has driven me, I want to get emotional, but I want to tell y'all thank you, because there were moments, this has taken so long. I did not want to just slap together a course. There's so many creators I feel like that have a giant audience and they kind of throw something together, but I wanted to make sure that this was quality. But of course, there are moments when it's taken forever that you think, do I suck? Am I lame? Like, am I spending all this time on something that is mediocre? I'm serious, I would have given up if I had not seen the comments on this channel telling me how valuable the tutorials were. So thank you. Before somebody is like, I'm about to bounce, she's crying now, let me just play this trailer for the course, because I feel like it's gonna be able to explain things much more efficiently than I could just talking to you right now. To make great videos, you gotta know two things: the touchy-feely creative stuff and the nerdy technical editing stuff. This course teaches you both. You're gonna learn how to film using whatever camera you have, how to edit in a powerful program called Adobe Premiere Pro, even if you are a total beginner, like I assume you know nothing. You'll learn how to tell stories that rack up that watch time, how to deliver scripts without sounding like a cringy hot mess, how to add effects to your video, edit the audio, and adjust the color, which lights you should use so you can look on point, which microphone to use, and which cable goes with it, how to create titles, motion graphics, and animations, plus so many shortcuts that are going to save years off your life. But I know you are thinking, girl, why would I get a course when I could just learn how to make videos from YouTube for free? Well, because YouTube is gonna cost you time. So this person's gonna clickbait you. This person is gonna ramble so much. This person is talking way over your head. Now you gotta go look something up, and oh, unlikely animal friendships. It's only gonna take a second. Okay, look, if you wanna learn efficiently, you can't be ping-ponging yourself across the internet chasing rabbit holes. You need structure. You need a system that is easy to follow and one that teaches you skills in the right order so you don't waste time. It takes a lot to keep my attention, and I assume the same is true for you. And so when I started this course, I made this goal that at least every 10 seconds, I was gonna show something. I was gonna show a demonstration or a graphic or an animation or some funny meme, because I didn't want you just looking at my face talking the whole time. I knew that if I want you to learn, I can't bore you. You know, the best way to learn to make videos is to actually make videos yourself. And that's why the whole course is designed around projects. So I'm gonna guide you through making 2 custom videos. And in every lesson, I am teaching you a skill set that is gonna move you one step forward in your project. So you've got this momentum through the course. Like, I'm trying to gamify this for y'all. Plus, there are assignments that help push you along. There are practice tasks that make it really easy to test your skills. There are so many resources to help you. We've got cheat sheets, recaps, downloads, asset guides. There's even a huge index of all the topics covered so you can find exactly what you want to learn. And if you run into trouble, you can ask questions in the community group or directly to me in office hours, because I have a video chat with you every week. If you've been wanting to learn to make videos to launch your YouTube channel or promote your brand or just have a creative outlet, then I made this course for you. It's gonna save you so much time, it's gonna save your sanity, and it's gonna get you creating as fast as possible. You can learn more and you can watch a free preview of the course by visiting maryvetsy.com/BVC or by clicking the link below. All right, so that's a little snapshot of the course. And I also have a course called the Video Editing Course that just focuses on Adobe Premiere Pro if you're interested. I have some very interesting and maybe surprising things coming up creatively on the horizon. And now YouTube is about to be my focus, y'all. So hopefully we will be hanging out a lot more. Hopefully that's something you're excited about. Okay, hope you're doing well. I'll see y'all later. Bye.